back to Yabe's lessons. Today I'll be teaching you how to play this song. Not only on how to play the song, but how you can play this song in different chord progression. So this is going to help you sound like a pro. Even though you are playing just simple bass line, the more you change the chord progression in that same song, you will sounding more professional. And with that, I'll be giving you more bass lines to spice it up when you are playing in that chord progression. So if you're interested, I recommend you watch the whole lesson so that you understand everything. And also I do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the number here. You DM me on WhatsApp or you go to the comment section. The link is there. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the breakdown. I'll be giving you 3 chord progression in this same song. It is something that is not confusing. It is easy. You just need to understand the concept of it. Okay, so first I'll play the first progression, give you simple passing notes to apply to the chord progression. Then I'll play the second progression, do the same, and then I'll play the last progression. So try and write something down. So now from 1 to 4, when you are going from a 1 to a 4 progression, 1 1 1 to the 4 4 4, what passing note can you use in that 1 and 4 progression? So beginners, take note. 1, if you have your 1 here, you have your 6 here. This is a 1 to 4. Okay, 1, then you have La, that's your 6, then your 7, then your 1, then you have your 3 and 4. So this is a 1 to 4 passing note you can apply, and not only on this song, to any other song from 1 to 4. Go. Now you'll be going to the 5 progression. So I did something like this. Da 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 da. So you can do it like this. Re, that is 2, 5 6 5, or you have your 2 here, then 6 5. So this is a 2 going to the 5 progression. So you apply from 1 to 4, 2 to 5, just like that. Then now you'll be going back to the 4 progression again. So you apply this nice passing note. You have your 1 here, you pluck on the 1, you hum on the 2. If you know how to shake, you can shake on the 2. Okay, then you pull off back to the 1. You won't be plucking the 1. Okay, then 5, then 4. Now you're going to the 6, 4 5 6. Then now from the 6 to the 5, you can apply this chord passing note. So when you're done playing the 4 5 6, then you play 1, that's octave 1 here, 2 3 6 5, or you can even take it to the higher note. You can do it that way too. So 1 2 3, then 5 3 2 6 5. Or you want to make it simple, okay. So now let me advance that area a little bit. So when you're on the 4, like you see that you'll be on the 4 for I think not too long time. So da 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 4 4 4 4. You'll be plucking it like 4 notes. 4. So you apply this nice bass line to the 4. 4 1 6 5 4. There are many ways you can play it. I mean the shape. So 4 4 1. You have your 4 1, then 6 5 4, or you can play 4 1 6 5 4. Then you can do 4 5 6. Don't do 4 5 6. Then you play the 6 again. You get off. So just play 4 5 6. Stay away from the 6. Then play 1 2 3 6 5 5. Then 1. That is for the first lines. Okay. Okay, so now Ndi Mo Zi Igwe, start again. 1 1 2 3 1 4. It's very simple. 1 1 2 3 1 4. Da 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 da. So going to the 5, you can apply 3 4 5. 1 1 2 3 1 4. Da 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 da. Then now if you go into the 2 again, you saw the first lines, you went to the 4. Now because you're ending, you come to the 2. So la so, that is 5 6 5 4 3 2. You can do it a long way. You have your 6 5 4 3. I'm playing all of that in the same string. 2. For me, this is what I would love to use. 3 4 6 5, or you can do la re so do. That is it. Okay, so the da 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 da. You can apply the same thing. It is the same progression. Da 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 da. Fa so la da 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 da. So that side is, you just have to groove on that root note. So if you are playing da, so with that you can be using the root and the 5th note, okay, something like that, okay, but you can just stay stable on the root, just be blocking da, 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 just like that, da, 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 da. Then there you go. So this was the second progression. It might sound off, but you're sounding more like a pro. Things are really changing out there, okay? But well, it's still sounding cool. So you can learn this with your team, or you as the bass player, you can tell it, let's do this progression and see. If your keyboard is okay and you know good with chords, you can go with this progression. So da-da, da-da, I was just on the one progression. There are different ways to do that. So you can just be doing da-da, da-da. Just like that. But if you don't have that speed and you haven't memorized the fretboard very well, so that you don't end up playing off note, just be stable and be clean. Just like that. So that place goes like this. You can do this in any one chord progression, just that you are on the one, then you apply this bass line. Okay, so it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, go. That is on the one, then you play 4, 5, then octave 1, then you come back to the root 1. Just like that. So you can just do this to da-da, da-da, da-da. You're just on the one. Da-da, 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 6. So now you're going to the 6. So instead of you going to the 5 chord progression, you're not going to the 3 progression. This is kind of off, but you're really sounding like a pro. Okay, so da-da, 6, 6, 6, 5. You see, to the 3 instead of you play the 5, but you went to the 3. Da-da, da-da. Then you continue with the 10. Now let me teach you how I was able to do that. So from the 1 going to the 6, you can apply this cool passing note to the 6. So 1, you can either do it, you can do it here in case. Okay, so it is 2, 1, 7, 6, then to the 3 chord progression. So 2, 2 sharp, 3, 3. Then now if you go into the 5 progression, I want to play it so that you listen to it very well. You see, 2, 2 sharp, 3, 3, then 4, 5. Okay, so when you're on the 5, you are doing a 5, 1, 4. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Then you play 2, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4, then 1, 6, 5, 4. Now instead of you to go to the 5, you'll be going to the 7. 4, 7, to the 6, to the 7 flat, and the 5, and 1. That's it. So 7, now to the 6. You remember the previous video I taught you this. That is re, mi, 2, 3, 6, 7 flat. Then to the 5, 5, 1. Okay, so that is it for this chord progression. So try to learn the 3 chord progression going to the 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4, 7, 6, 7 flat, then 5, 5, 1. So let's see if we can apply it. Yes, you can apply it. So you can play the first bass line on the Gloria and the second da-ran, da-ran, da-ran. Then you can bring in this chord progression, you know, just that you don't want to be playing one way to the whole groove. So now let's see the last progression. So this is a different chord progression. 1 to the 4. Da-da. There are many ways to play it. Or it depends. Okay, so 1 7 1 7 6 5 4 or 1 7 1 7 6 5 4. Then now, instead of you to go to the 5 progression, if you go to the 3 progression, then you do 5 4 3. Now to the 6 3 2 1 7 6. Now to the 2 2. Go to the 5 8 6 6 7. So you can apply this 6 3 4 6 7. You have your 4 sharp 5. Then you go to the 3 again, 4 3. So when you play 4 3, you go into the 1. So here you can even bring in the first passing what you did on the first progression, 3. You see, then 3 3 2 1 7 6. Then you can bring in the do, then your so do. Okay, so master this very well. You can try to mix them. Da 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 6 down to the 7 flat and the 5 and the 1. Then you can bring in the 1 1 notes. Go da 6 3 4 5. Then you continue the rest. Okay, so the song will be posted in the Telegram group as usual. So if you are not getting any of the song for practice, join my Telegram group. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next live lesson. Bye for now.